Race number 1. Good luck on your winner take all. And the race is on. Arvin Dugo fast to begin, followed by High Money in second. And moving up by the rallies Midnight, Meet Sugar Glaze, rushing up Whistler. And Townsend is the early trailer by about 4 or 5 lengths of the leader. Back to the leader, Arvin Dugo by about 2 lengths, followed by Midnight, Meet in second. High Money is racing in third by a length and a half, rushing up is Townsend. Whistler and Sugar Glaze now running at the tail of the field inside the last 600. Arvin Dugo increasing its marker to about 5 lengths, followed by Midnight, Meet in second. High Money, Townsend, Whistler, and Sugar Glaze still running at the tail of the field as they race the final corner. The outstanding favorite, Arvin Dugo, this time by about 7 lengths, followed by Midnight, Meet in second. High Money racing on the outside, almost taking the second spot, and nearing the finish line, Arvin Dugo, the icebreaker, and finally Arvin Dugo second. High Money, Midnight, Meet, Whistler, Townsend, and Sugar Glaze to complete the arrival.